Hi guys, this is how I make a Sunburst Granny Square. You will first need your choice of yarn, any will work, and then some scissors, and then a crochet hook that is equivalent to whatever yarn you're using. You will first want to start with a magic circle, or you can do the chain 3 method, but I prefer the magic circle method. So once you do that, you will chain 3. Once you have your chain 3, we're going to be doing 15 double crochets into our magic circle. So it's yarn over, loop through, yarn over, pull through the first 2, and then again through the second 2. And your chain 3 counts as a double crochet, so we will have 15 total at the end. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through 2. So overall we're working 15 double crochet into the magic circle, ending with a total of 16, counting our chain 3 at the very beginning. Once you have done that, we will take our little string on the back and tighten up our circle. I prefer to go ahead and do this now. I find that I have to tighten it a couple times. Then we're going to do a basic slip stitch into the top of our chain 3. I feel like there's no right or wrong way to do this. It's just how I choose to do it. I will also be switching my colors here and adding in another color. This is optional. So I will be slip stitching with that color to be able to proceed with it. Next we will be doing another chain 3. Then into the next stitch in front of our chain 3, we will be doing a 2 double crochet cluster, because our chain 3 will count as one of our cluster pieces. So we will yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over again and pull through. You should have 3 loops on your hook. We're going to yarn over again, stick our hook directly back into the same stitch, yarn over and pull through. We should have a total of 5 loops. We will do this again, yarn over, and pull through all of the loops on your hook, creating a 2 half double crochet cluster. We will then chain 1 in between each cluster we make. In the next stitch, we will yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through. We have our 5 loops. We're going to do this one more time. So it will be another yarn over, insert our hook into the same stitch, yarn over and pull through, and then yarn over one more time, pulling through. Before we do so, there should be 7 loops on our hook, and that is a 3 half double crochet cluster. We will be doing that in every stitch around with a chain 1 in between each stitch. We will now slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 like we did for the previous round. This row should have a total of 32 stitches. Begin the next round with another chain 3, and we will be crocheting into the chain 1 spaces we made in the previous round. In the first space, we're going to do 2 double crochet clusters. The chain 3 counts as one of the pieces for the cluster. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2, and then yarn over, pull through the last 3 loops on your hook, and that is our 2 double crochet cluster. We will then chain 2. And next we will do a 3 double crochet cluster. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, insert hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and do it one more time. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2, and then yarn over, pull through the last 4, and that is our 3 double crochet cluster. Chain 2, and proceed to do this around the entire circle with 3 double crochet clusters in each chain 1 space with a chain 2 between each cluster until you reach the end. I will be switching my yarn color again, so slip stitch to the top of the chain 3 and pull through with your new color to create your slip stitch with the new yarn color. This time we will be doing a chain 4 at the beginning of this round because we will be doing treble crochets in each chain 2 space. The chain 4 counts as your first treble crochet. In the first chain 2 space, we will yarn over twice, insert our hook, yarn over and pull through, then we will yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through the next 2 loops, and again, and that is our treble crochet. So do that again, and that will give us our first 3 treble crochets counting the chain 4. Then chain 2, and in the same space do 3 more treble crochets, creating your corner. Then in the next 3 chain 2 spaces, we are going to do 3 double crochets. Next, we will proceed with another 3 treble crochet in the next chain 2 space with a chain 2 and then another 3 treble crochet, creating another corner. We will repeat these steps all the way around with 6 treble crochets and a chain 2 in each corner, and then 3 sets of 3 double crochets along the sides. Next, we will slip stitch to the top of the chain 3, fasten off, and proceed with weaving in our ends however you prefer to do that. If you watch to the end, you will see I simply take my crochet hook and just pull it through different areas until I feel it's weaved in enough, and then I tie it off. But everyone does these differently. This is how I do my Sunburst Granny Square.